Ahmad Khan Rahimi je ameriški državljan rojen v Afganistanu. Septembra 2016 je bomba, ki jo je izdelal iz ekonomlonca na Manhattnu, poškodovala 30 ljudi. Sodišče ga je spoznalo za krivega in ga obsodilo na dosmrtno ječo. Njegova obramba pa meni, da je kazen prestroga.
He was sentenced to life plus 30 plus life before Judge Berman. We anticipate filing an appeal as quickly as possible. He didn't have any hate for anyone, so I think we should, or I should, or the court should, or society should take him for that, and we'll try to judge him accordingly. I think Judge Berman did what he thought was right. I disagree. I think that life plus 30 plus life, I think it's stacking. But Judge Berman had the authority to do what he did, and he did so.
Rahimi na sodišču ni kazal nobenega obžalovanja za svoje dejanja, ki bi lahko imela še veliko hujše posledice.
I think Mr. Rahimi is a very complicated man, and people show remorse in different ways.
Obramba napadalca je po sojenju sporočila še, da je Rahimi kljub po mnenju njegovega odvetnika prestrogi kazni pripravljen na prestajanje kazni in da razume, česa je obsojen.
He was very comfortable. He was very understanding about the process. He was waiting for the process. He appreciated the way the sentencing process went. I'll say that. I don't think he showed or harbored any anger towards the court, Judge Berman, the prosecutors, anyone else. And I think he's prepared to start a sentence.
Sojenje je spremljalo tudi nekaj žrtev napada na Manhattnu, ki so z izrečeno kaznijo sicer zadovoljni, a ta zadoščenja vseeno ni prinesla.
I thought today I will get justice or feel some kind of way to feel relief, but the perpetrator was not remorseful at all. He definitely spoke about himself. He didn't even care about us. I thought that today was probably a day for us, but it didn't feel like that at all.
Sicer pa je Rahimi poleg eksplozije na Manhattnu obtožen tudi podtikanja bombe v New Jerseyju in streljanja na policiste. Sojenje za ta dva incidenta se še ni začelo.